Ilyas Sharafuddin is also joining us, an Islamic scholar. Well, sir, your first reaction, do you see a larger plan or a larger plot behind this order which has come in that Muslims ought not to be praying in public places? If you want to, go to a mosque or an Eidgah or within the office premise?
See, I want to clear two things first. The first thing is, Yogi is just before the election trying to create a scheme that he is a hardline Hindutva person and trying to garner the vote. He is trying to garner the votes, and for that purpose, he is making all this nonsense. And rather than providing to the security to the Hindu girls over there and using the police for the better use of them, he is just trying to create a rukus and divide India more and more. This is not going to benefit
But Mr. Sharafuddin, we spoke to the SSP of Noida as well. He said it's not about religion at all. It is only about maintaining communal harmony, because if you don't have the permission, then don't go to the park. There is no ban on namaz. The SSP has very clearly said, just don't do it at public spaces, because you can't have a congregation of 500, 600 people without a police permit.
Public places, parks are meant for sleeping, lying down. Parks are meant for walking, jogging. Parks are meant for yoga and other things. Why not for namaz? It is nothing but a dirty mindset of Yogi, and he did not learn a lesson after a terrible defeat in 5 Hindu heartland states. Now they are creating more scenes and they will bite the dust more, according to me.
But Mr. Sharafuddin, don't you think that without a police permit, at the end of it, if every community, be it a religious or a cultural one, decide that they are going to break the law, there is a very clear law that if there is a large congregation, you need to have a police permit. In this case, that's clearly what they are saying, that it's a large congregation. It's not about religion, but it's a large congregation, hence don't go there without a police permit. Is that not rational? Is that not as per the law?
No. Yoga is not cultural. Yoga is religious. It directly relates to Surya Namaskar. So they are not stopping yoga, but they are stopping namaz. They should learn a lesson from Russia once upon a time, or Firaun or Abu Jahl. They were destroyed by Allah when they stopped from namaz. The same thing will happen to Yogi government.
So are you saying that there is undue advantage which is given to cultural bodies such as that of the RSS? You mentioned the Surya Namaskar. Whom are you hinting at?
Yeah, I want to say that Surya Namaskar is nothing but worshipping sun, which is a part they made of Hinduism, which is against Hinduism, by the way. And actually they are nothing but creating a scheme just before 2019 election to garner votes.
So it's all political. That's what Ilyas Sharafuddin. Thank you for joining us.